This video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of the CNG 70 USB noise generator. This comes from Rover themselves, and it is designed to test the performance of the network across the band. So you can see it's quite a small looking device. So here's the antenna adapter that we would use to plug into our coax. Just connects over there like that. The USB port, there we go. Can be powered up by a battery bank or any device, even a phone charger. You could use that to switch on the device. And what this will do is it will produce a noise floor that will cover all the way through from 5 megahertz through to 2,500 megahertz. So it's an incredibly wide span. And you'll be able to test the performance of your network and see how it performs by looking at a Rover spectrum analyzer. You could also use this as part of a reflectometer to tell the length of the cable. It's an option that's available for the Rover meters. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches and we'll do our best to help you. Have a wonderful day.